What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, class will be in session today. I am going to teach you some other chart patterns and things I want you guys to begin recognizing as you begin your trading journey. Okay, listen, today the focal point will be on a bear flag. All right, and I'm going to break down how to play these, but more importantly, how to spot and identify them on your trading journey. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, really quickly, a couple moves made on today. Nothing to write home about, but I just want to show you the consistency that the things we talk about and teach about every day will get you tried, true, and consistent results. Also, guys, as it relates to a bear flag, this is typically a bearish pattern, okay? And I'm going to break it down more for you right now. Okay, guys, check it out. Today, I'm going to be breaking down for you what is a bear flag, okay? Simply put, it is a bear flag situation in terms of meaning the stock will be going down. So really quickly, you will have something like this. This is where that terminology comes from. So think of it as a flag that's going down. Okay, it's a bearish pattern, so you will see that it's more like a flag going to the downside. And I want you guys to begin to see this in the chart, because this move is intended to ultimately come down here to where we call our target. Okay, and so this is something in the charts and in the patterns that I want you to recognize on your journey. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, out the gate, we are going to start with the SPY. I'm going to show you guys this using the SPY, and I'm going to illustrate it for you so that you can see firsthand where these things begin to develop in the chart. Okay, guys, I'm going to start with the SPY right here, and I'm going to go ahead and illustrate this for you guys so that you can see where these things emerge in the chart. Okay, now look at this. Call this a bear flag. Okay, watch this. I want you guys to see this. We call this right here chop, and we want you to avoid the chop. Okay, why? Because all of this movement right here takes up and burns your premium. Okay, but this move happened, and this can sometimes take up to an hour of your time, 30 minutes, 2 hours. And so they're just doing nothing but just wasting time. Okay, they're doing nothing but just wasting your time. But the ultimate move this was trying to have was this move right here. Okay, boom. This was your target right here. Okay, and so if you are ever in a situation, we want you to be able to spot and identify the bear flag which presented itself on Friday. Okay, so this took up some of your time. If you missed this initial move here and this initial drop down, you then got caught in the chop. Okay, so this is what we talk about. Wait for high probability setups. Okay, if you missed this first move, now you might be stuck in the chop. Then this thing hits down. Okay, but once it hits this target, look, guys, it began to make its way back up. That lets you know the play is over and done with, and we want you to again take advantage of high probability setups. Okay, so that's one bear flag. All right, now check this out. This right here is using Tesla. Okay, and we're gonna blow this up a little bit so you guys can see. Same thing right here. Same thing right here, guys. Using Tesla, you had the bear flag emerge, and look what it was hugging that line. That's the 13. It's hugging the 13 this whole time, making this flag pattern. Okay, this is your flag to the downside. A bear flag typically signifies that you're going to have more downward movement. So look at Tesla, look at this chop, boom, 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 and then sure enough, Tesla began to drop. Okay, ultimately reaching its target that was sitting down here. Okay, so that's the whole premise of these bear flag situations and scenarios, guys. They are simply a pattern or a bearish pattern that you can, if you can be patient enough and if you can wait it out, you can see this thing begin to formulate. But we want you to avoid the chop, because if you don't, you will waste a lot of time sitting here, okay? And then this is how you get frustrated. This is how you get tricked out of your plays. And before you know it, you may think the stock is going to do something totally different because you have failed to recognize a pattern, okay? But this is, again, guys, this is on a 5-minute chart using Tesla. The other example was on a 2-minute chart using the SPY. And I want you guys to begin to spot and identify these within the charts on your journey, okay? And last but not least, guys, I want to take you to the 15-minute chart here. This is again on the SPY, but I want to show you guys something. Look at this line right here. I'll draw it out for you. This is a 200 EMA, okay? And this is why I stress that you guys know and start to understand what's happening on all time frames, because it can signify something for you. Look at the number of support and touch attempts we had off the 200. We had one here. We had one here, and then you had this whole line here. Okay, so this was Friday right here. Look at it, as you see this bear flag emerging. Okay, and then for whatever reason, this would not drop below this number right here, 393 on Friday. Okay, why? Because we had strong support. It hit 395. That was one level of support, but 393 showed up and showed out, showing strong levels of support, and then even getting a bounce off that level into power hour before it finished the day with the upward move. Okay, and so again, you want to see and identify different time periods and different time intervals so that you can be aware of what's happening. Where is support at? Where is resistance at on your 5-minute? What about on your 15-minute? Okay, did it break through the 15? Let me check the 30-minute, because these things will help you understand what's going on. Or if you were waiting for a flush and you looking like, man, this play was at 395 and it dropped to 393. Why isn't it going lower? Okay, you may need to, again, go through your different time intervals so that you can see, we got the 200-day on the 15-minute chart holding up extremely well, which is not allowing this particular stock to fall. So listen, guys, hope this was helpful. This was just a quick lesson, and I'm going to be pounding this home over the course of the weekend on a bear flag, okay? And after the bear flag, I'm going to show you right in these same exact charts the bull flag. Okay, these are patterns that are sitting right before your eyes. I often talk about the money is in the charts. When you begin to identify and recognize these patterns, you will begin to see the money making opportunities. You will begin to take high probability trade setups, and then you will transition from predicting and gambling to reacting and making money more efficiently. Listen, guys, I hope this was helpful. We make videos like this, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.